Welcome to the Field of Trucks or Sound Series 62, and this series is going to be outside. We're going to take a trip outside because it's actually super nice out today. Another update is, this is my Traxxas Bigfoot that I've had for a little bit now. Let me just take out the pins real quick on the back. And you already may see some problems with it. This was from riding it in the street. I let my friend drive it and he flipped it. But I was doing a freestyle with Mini Mello today, and I don't even know what happened, but this shock tower right here is bent. So I'm going to have to order a new shock tower, and I don't know when that's going to come in, so our rematch is going to be held off for a while. Yeah. So let me balance my camera. Alright, let's get into the Field of Trucks. Barbarian. Backdraft. Thrasher. Bounty Hunter. Cyborg. King Crunch. Black Stallion. Hot Wheels. Track Ace Black Stallion. The Patriot. Taz. Screaming Demon. Batman. Bulldozer. Spider-Man. Silver Mohawk Warrior. Edgeglow Son of a Digger. Bone Shaker. Stone Crusher. Scarlet Bandit. Shocker. Jurassic Attack. Zombie. Destroyer. Superman. Instigator. Higher Education. Blue Thunder. Gravedigger the Legend. Virginia Giant. Black Captain's Curse, and Metal Militia. That's the Field of Trucks for Sound 362. You guys need to sign up fast because I needed to do it. I really want to do this series because obviously I can't use my Traxxas anymore. So that series will be probably in maybe an hour. So yeah, bye.